Hi guys, good morning everyone. In this video, we will discuss about dictionary methods in Python. Okay, let us go to now definition of dictionary methods and what is meant by dictionary methods. In dictionary methods, various methods are provided to process the elements of a dictionary, and these methods generally retrieve or manipulate the contents of a dictionary. Okay, in dictionaries are written with curly brackets and including key value pairs separated by commas. We can see the symbols of curly brackets here and the commas here. Okay, and in dictionaries separates each key from its value by a colon. Okay, and here we can see the colon symbol. Okay, now to access the different values we cannot use a numeric index as we do with lists or tuples. Okay, since the dictionaries are unordered containers. To insert multiple items at once in dictionary methods, we can use this method called dict update. By dict update, we can insert a multiple items at once. Okay. Okay, guys. Now the several dictionary methods are clear off, and this clear off method removes all the elements from a dictionary, and means by using these dictionary, we can clear the data which we does not need. Okay, and the dictionary and the syntax for this method is dictionary full stop clear off. And for example for clear method, car equals to open flower bracket means now I am saying the main point is the left side brand model year are keys and the Ford Mustang and 1964 are values. Okay, in the code. Okay, and by after the giving input brand is Ford, model is Mustang, and year is 1964, and we can give the input that car clear off means the details which are in the brackets we can be cleared. Okay, now print car means we can see the output empty brackets. Okay, now and now let us see the second method, copy of. A copy of method returns a copy of the specified dictionary. And now by this we can say that we can copy the data which we want from the code and we can get as an output same. Okay. And the syntax of the copy of is dictionary dot copy of. For this example is car equals to open flower bracket, brand is Ford, model is Mustang, and year is 1964, and we can close the brackets and car dot copy of and print the car. By giving this input, we can get an output by running the code. Brand same what we have given the input, we can get is an output. Means we can know that the code was the details was copied. And now we can go to third one, form keys. Form keys methods returns a dictionary specified keys and specified values, and for this form keys the syntax is dict dot form keys, and in the brackets we can of keys or values we can return. Okay, means example form keys methods x equals to key 1 in double quotations and key 2 and key 3 y, and we can give the value input y equals to 20. This dict equals to dict dot form keys x comma y, and we can print print of this dictate, and we get the output key 1 is 20 and key 2 is 20 and key 3 is 20 because we have given the y value 20 is the same, and that's why the value of key 1 key 2 key 3 became same. Okay, now we can go to fourth one, get off. The get off method returns the value of the item with a specific key. Okay, and we can know the syntax dictionary dot get off key name or a value. For example, get off method car equals to, we can give an input of the same, brand equals to Ford, and model is Mustang, and year is 1964, and we can close the flower bracket. And now we can give input x equals to car dot get off model and print of x. Means we can get off means whatever the value we need we have to given in the brackets. Means we want model, so that's why we get the output came as Mustang. And the fifth one is the items method, items of. This items method returns a view, the object view objects containing the key value pair of a dictionary as tuple in a list. And the syntax for an items of is dictionary dot key items of. Example, and we can given the inputs as same given before as we has given the input of before programs, and we can give the command equal x equals to car dot items of and print of x, and we can get the output as like this: dict slash items, and we can get brand Ford, model Moonstone, and year 1964 in the single quotations. Okay, and now we can go to sixth one, keys of. The keys methods, the keys of method returns a view object. The view object contains the key of a dictionary as a list. The view object will reflect any changes done to the dictionary, and the syntax for in keys of is dictionary dot keys of, and the example for the keys of is keys of method is, and we have given the input as the same car equals to open flower bracket, and we can give the keys and the values, and we can command like here, we can command here x equals to car dot keys of, and now we and print the print of x. Okay, and now the x value will be printed. Okay, and we can see the output here x dict slash keys brand model here, so we can see the keys. Okay, means these are the key values now that we have given the input keys, so the key values are gave came output. Okay, and now we can see the pop off, means this pop off method removes the specific items from the dictionary. The value of the removed is the return value of the pop off method. Means the syntax for this pop-off method is dictionary dot pop-off key name and key name or default value for the, and this the example of a pop-off is we have given the input car equals to open flower bracket, and given keys and values, and we can command here x equals to car dot pop-off model and print the car, and we can get the output brand Ford and year 1964, because we have entered here model, so model has been removed from the output. Whatever we don't want the information, we can enter here. Okay, the model we have entered, so that's why we remove, and this output the model has been removed, and the output came as only brand and year. Okay, and now eighth one is pop item. Okay, the pop item of method removes the item that was last inserted into the dictionary. In version before 3.7, the pop item method removes a random item. This removed item returns a value of an pop item of method as tuple. Okay, and we can know the syntax of this is dictionary dot pop item of example, same as we can given before programs, car equals to open flower brackets, and we have given the brand model which are keys Ford Mustang 1964 are the values, and we can command here x equals to dot car dot pop item of, and we can print car, and we can get out the output of brand Ford and model Mustang. Okay, and now let us go to next method, and the next method is set default. This set default method returns the value of the item with the specific key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specific value. And for this set default is syntax is dictionary dot set default of key name or value. In this set default, if the keys does not exist, and we can insert the key with a specific value. Okay, for example, car equals to, we can given as a keys and values, brand model year as keys, and Ford Mustang 1964 as values, and we can command here whatever we need. X equals to car dot set default model and brand code, and print of x and print of car, and we can, by this we can see that in model Mustang we can replace the brand code model. Means here see in the output became brand Ford, model Mustang, and year 1964, means we can see here, we can observe it, and the value of model is changed to brand code. Okay, and the next, the final one is update of. Okay, the update of method inserts the specified items to the dictionary. Okay, the specified item can be a dictionary or an iterable object with the key value pairs. Okay, and the syntax of the update of is dictionary dot update of iterable, And for this example is same whatever want, we have taken input car equals to open flower bracket, and we can given the keys and the values here. Keys are brand, model year, and values of Ford, Mustang, and 1964, and close the flower bracket. And we can see what, and we can command whatever we want. Car dot update of open flower brackets in double quotations, color and white. Color we means we can see this. We have to change the color. We have to add the color as white in the output. Okay, means we have the print of car, and we can see we can add another key and another value by a car update color of white. Okay, see now we can see in the output brand Ford and model Mustang year 1964, and we have seen the color white, means we can observe in the output color white was updated. Okay, and thank. And guys, now up to here we have discussed about an various several methods of an dictionary methods. Okay, and we can know about the dictionary methods by this video. And thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.